Good afternoon, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now, about institutional staking was take off a place as the slug of Solvay's Coinbase CFO. Coinbase's new institutional focus staking product won't be a near-term phenomenon while liquid staking is still being worked out. Institutional staking of crypto assets, including the post-merge Ethereum, could become phenomenon in the future, but not while their assets still needs to be locked up. Speaking during Q2 earnings call, HSBC Chief Financial Officer Alicia has noticed that she didn't expect their new exclusive institutional staking service rolls out in Q2 to be a near-term phenomenon until the truly liquid staking option is available. This is the first time we had the product available. Previously, the way this institution could have access to staking is via Coinbase Cloud. But offering is as the delegated staking service similar to what we have for retail customers. However, has said it was still early days for their new staking service, adding they'll likely only see a real material impact when they have created a liquid staking option for post-merge Ethereum, also known as ETH2. Liquid staking is the process of locking up funds to earn staking rewards while still having access to the funds. As explained, this many financial institutions don't want their assets held indefinitely. So when you stake ETH2, you are looking at your assets in the Ethereum until the merge and then some period after. For some institutions, this liquidity lockup is not palatable to them, and so while they might be interested in staking, they want to have staking on a liquid asset. This is something we are looking to solve, and indeed, once this liquid staking is available for financial institutions, that can pull in funds at higher proportion, we'll see the real material impact of institutional revenue. Coinbase partners with BlackRock to create a new access point for institutional crypto investing. Investors and institutions has been able to access Coinbase, the latest staking service through Coinbase Prime, which was first launched in September 2021. Such as access to a custody wallet with exchange security, real-time crypto market data and analytics, and other crypto native features like decentralized government. The biggest crypto hash of all time. Global exchange was supposed to make crypto trading easier and make features available to all. How Bitcoin wallets make a splash in markets and move prices. Blockchain and NFT are changing the publishing industry. Former Coinbase manager at heart and insider of insider trading scandal faced not guilty in federal court. Coinbase partners with BlackRock to create a new access point for institutional crypto investing. They are about article in institutional second was take off unless as a result of Coinbase CFO. Okay, my videos is enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.